Guys, Daddy Travels and Mr. Wingbin is now, we are here in the airport of Luzon City. So let's welcome to Daddy Travels.
Daddy travels, say we're on a plane, gonna take off today. And the now's calling, so what do you say? Mountains, beaches, and the sea.
So, abangan guys ang aming collaboration ni Daddy Travels. So, i-welcome natin si Daddy Travels dito sa Pilipinas. And finally, Daddy Travels is here at Airport Luzon City. Ayan guys, no? So, abangan natin ang paglabas ni Daddy Travels. Ayan. Cebu Pacific yung sinakyan ni Daddy Travels guys. Ayan. So dyan siya banda lalabas. Ayan. Ayan, nilipad na din ang isang aeroplano guys. Oh. Ay, marami pa ng pasahero guys. Oh. Mayroon ding daanan doon sa kabila guys. So siguro nandun si Daddy Travels sa kabila. Walang stair or hagdan. Ayan. Marami pang mga pasahero lumabas. Oh. So ayan. Hindi na tayo magtagal dito guys para masaksihan na natin ang ating friend na si Daddy Travels ay salubungin na natin guys sa loob ng aeroplano, sa loob ng airport. Guys, this is our special vlog for today because we are going to we have something special vlog there in Uyukoy. Many views. Yes, which is now it is called Global Garden and Misamis Occidental. So see you later guys and join us to watch our full video and vlogs today with Daddy Travels and Mr. Wingbin.
You don't want to miss this one.
Yeah.